To physics. This came into being on in 1900. Somebody say 14 September or 14 December 1900 by Max Planck. Right. Quantum physics is a great concept which ideally believes that there are tiny particles and they move within the waves, and there is there is always uncertainty about their assembling. And then there is a black body, and then that black body can absorb the full light thrown at that. Whatever light comes from the black body, it is own emission. It is not absorbed. It is not a reflection. So that is what the quantum physics we talk about. So three concepts of quantum physics are: number one, it has got a dual nature. That means universe is made of waves and particles. It is not only waves, it is not only particles, it is made of waves and particles, and both wave and particles keep on moving, and there is uncertainty about their probability, how they will and where they will be available, right? And they are so tiny molecules or particulars like atom or photons or electrons, and are not certain to be available at particular location, right? And then quantum entanglement is such that the two particles are entangled. If two particles are entangled and if one is disturbed, the second will also get disturbed, and the distance between the two doesn't matter. Even if the two entangled particles are in different planet, if one is disturbed, its impact will be on that one also. That is the real discovery of quantum physics, and the formula which the author gave, that Max Planck, right? E, energy is equal to H, the constant, which is the Planck's given the name of Planck, and then V is the frequency of radiations given to that, right? So that, for example, if we send any light to sun is capable of absorbing the whole light, whatever it may be. It will not reflect back any light, and then whatever the light we are seeing from the sun, it is sure that the light is emitted by the sun. That means when we are throwing a light at the sun, we are sure that the sun has absorbed all the light, and whatever light we are getting from the sun, it is sun's own emission, it is not reflection. That is the quantum physics science, which has been used in various gadgetry and equipment in our daily life. So I have tried to understood the quantum physics this way, right? Thank you.